Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Hello Children. In this video, we will study active and passive voice. There are two types of voice, the active voice and the passive voice. The verb which has an object can change into passive voice. Only transitive verbs have change of voice. For example, eat, beat, kill, fill, bring, drink, write, push, etc. Intransitive verbs do not have any change of voice. Intransitive verb does not need a direct object to complete its meaning. Example: run, sleep, sit, stand, travel, and die are all intransitive verbs. Active voice: when a subject in a sentence is given importance, it is said to be in the active voice. Example: I wrote a letter. The cat caught the rat. Sita is singing a song. Passive voice: when the object in the sentence is given importance, it is said to be in the passive voice. A letter was written by me. The rat was caught by the cat. A song is being sung by Sita. Learn this simple formula to change active voice into passive voice. Subject plus helping verb plus past participle or third form of the main verb plus by plus object. See the example here. Sudha sings a song. First you have to see which is subject, verb and the object in the sentence. Sudha is subject, sings verb, a song object. While changing active voice into passive voice, subject becomes object and object becomes subject. So, a song is subject here. A song is the helping verb because tense do not change. It remains same. A song is sung. Sung is sings third form. Sung by Sudha. A song is sung by Sudha. See the second example. Ram writes a letter. Ram is subject, writes verb, a letter object. A letter is written by Ram. The following table would be of great help to students while interchanging voices. Hence, the verb take is chosen in general. In the active form, takes or take will change to is taken or are taken in the passive form. Is are taking in the active form, is being taken or are being taken in the passive form. Was or were taking, was being taken or were being taken in the passive form. Took, was taken or were taken in the passive form. Will, shall take, will be taken or shall be taken in the passive form. Have, has, had taken, has been taken, have been taken or had been taken in the passive form. Will, shall have taken will change to will have been taken or shall have been taken. Would, should, could take, would be taken, should be taken or could be taken in the passive form. Can, may, might take will change to can be taken, may be taken or might be taken in the passive form. Must, ought to, used to take, must be taken, ought to be taken or used to be taken in the passive form. See, there is a note here. The presence of being, be, been and some common past participle of the verbs in sentences shows that they are in the passive voice. In some cases, the agent is dropped. The book is being read by Raj. The tree will be cut down tomorrow. The letter had been sent yesterday. He was beaten severely. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.